Amphotericin oral suspension is a compounded formulation of an antifungal medication. It is a liquid dosage form that ensures a uniform dispersion of ingredients, providing a homogeneous mixture for administration. This medication is used to treat various fungal infections, including candidiasis, cryptococcosis, and histoplasmosis. A certificate of analysis (COA) is a document that communicates the result of a scientific test done on a product, such as food or drugs. The COA also lists the chemicals used in the product's manufacturing and testing, and also created to ensure all important regulations are met and complied with. There are many ways to create a COA, as each industry would have different testing method and quality standard. However, the U.S. Food, Drug and Administration (FDA) requires all COA to have the following elements. So, firstly, the manufacturer's name and contact detail. Secondly, product name. Thirdly, the batch number, as most products that are manufactured and called for a COA are usually created and tested in batches. Next is active pharmaceutical ingredients (API), grade, date of release, expiry date if applicable, both on the label and the COA itself. Others include retest date and each test performed, including their acceptance limit and numerical results if applicable. So here I include the example of standard template of COA and COA example for Amphotericin B suspension that I obtained from the Chifa Biochemie official website.
SOP for assay of amphotericin. SOPs detail the laboratory-specific protocols to ensure the ethical production, transportation, storage, and destruction of medicinal products. It must be presented to staff members to precisely train them on specific areas of duty, work guidelines, acceptable requirements, and necessary documents. There are two techniques used to qualitatively analyze amphotericin oral suspension, which is the spectrophotometric technique and also the HPLC DAD technique. Spectrophotometric technique. The equipment required is the spectrophotometer. The absorption coefficients of the specimen's preparation are measured at 282 nanometer as well as 304 nanometer. And the results of the test is determined using the absorption values of both of these wavelengths. Next is the HPLC DAD technique. The equipment is the HPLC with diode array detector. This approach comprises analyzing the persistence of amphotericin B mixtures using HPLC DAD at a given wavelength. Quality control and validation. It is vital to ensure the chromatographic system is properly calibrated and validated before use. Perform system suitability tests to confirm the chromatographic system's performance as well as validate the method using USB guidelines, taking into account factors including precision, accuracy, particularity, detectable limit, and quantification limit. Data analysis and reporting. Analyze chromatograms in order to ascertain the amphotericin quantity present in the extracted sample. On the basis of the peak regions and the internal standard, quantify the amount of amphotericin within the ointment. Submit the outcomes in the appropriate format, making sure to include all the computations and technique validation information. This shows the example of a standard template of SOP for assay. In conclusion, the Certificate of Analysis is an official document that provides precise analytical findings to confirm the item's integrity and conformity to requirements, while the SOPs, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive, sequential methodology for performing the assay reliably and accurately.